Hi and welcome to MarineMax. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this 2022 Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS South Beach Edition. This boat just came in on brokerage and is available here at MarineMax Lake Norman. Let's hop aboard and check it out. Welcome aboard this 2022 34 GLS South Beach. This boat is powered with twin 300 horsepower Mercury Verados. They've got just under 400 hours and have just completed a major service. There's also several years remaining on the extended warranty. This boat is ready for plenty more memories out on the water. Let's walk through the boat. You'll see that it's got the ochre interior. It's in phenomenal condition, no rips or tears. As we continue inside, you'll notice we've got this really good Corian countertop for our entertainment center here. It's an awesome option. Glad to have it on this boat. As we continue in, you're going to see just how well this boat has been kept. It's a single owner boat. You'll see in the seats and the tables, it's been covered its whole life. It's a really great boat, really clean example. Coming up here to the helm, this boat does have the single Simrad screen as well as the Mercury joystick system. We're sitting out here filming this video, drifting it around here on the joystick. Gives you great control. You can have your Rockford Fosgate audio as well as your big sunroof on this GLS model. Makes it a really flexible boat, good for entertaining, and really good. You can close it up when the sun gets too hot or the weather comes your way. Coming down to the cabin here on this 34 GLS. First of all, as you enter, you'll see this really nice bug screen, as well as your controls for your air conditioning, your lights, and a good porthole for some ventilation. As you step down, you'll notice we've got these really nice wood treaded steps, in addition to your refrigerator and some great storage for some items here on the port side of the boat. As we continue in, you'll see that we've set this up in the table configuration up forward. This does come in and become a berth. Really comfortable sleeping area. This table comes down. You've got really good spot to spend the weekend on this boat. In addition to that, behind me we've got our microwave oven, we've got our Rockford Fosgate head unit, and we've got some electronics and switching under this seat here. It's a really good access boat, really versatile, makes a really good use of the space down here on this 34-foot boat. Last but not least, do have a nice wet head here on this boat. You'll see you've got the ceramic sink, you've got the mirror, and you've got a full shower in here. And then last but not least, you have a full berth on the aft side under the stairs. You'll see here at the bow, we've got a really inviting social zone. We've got plenty of cup holders, table. You got an armrest here for the passengers, as well as just a really good spacious area to come hang out on the boat. We do have the bow filler cushion option as well, so you can fill this in and turn it into a full sunbed. Last but not least, up here at the bow, you do have your windlass anchor down in here, as well as your controls. Makes it super easy to operate the windlass. Really great feature to have on this boat. If you like what you saw, give me a call or click the link in the description. We'd love to show you this boat. Thanks for watching.